She dash a book every night. Option B, reads. She reads a book every night. They dashed to the beach last weekend. Option C, went. They went to the beach last weekend. By this time tomorrow, we dash our work. Option B, will have finished. By this time tomorrow, we will have finished our work. The dog jumped dash the fence. Option A, over. The dog jumped over the fence. She adopted dash of an kitten. Option B, and. She adopted an orphan kitten. Dash Eiffel Tower is in Paris. Option C, the Eiffel Tower is in Paris. She is happy dash she passed the exam. Option B, because. She is happy because she passed the exam. The baby drank all dash milk. Option C, it's. The baby drank all its milk. They gave the prize to dash. Option B, him. They gave the prize to him. We traveled dash car to the city. Option D, by. We traveled by car to the city. I will meet you dash the airport. Option C, at. I will meet you at the airport. The train goes dash Mumbai. Option A, to. The train goes to Mumbai. The teacher gave dash some homework. Option B, US. The teacher gave US some homework. I was feeling hungry, dash there was no food at home. Option A, but. I was feeling hungry, but there was no food at home. You won't pass the test dash you study properly. Option B, unless, you won't pass the test unless you study properly. I dash my homework before my mother came home. Option C, had finished, I had finished my homework before my mother came home. She has been living here 2015. Option A, since, she has been living here since 2015. The ball rolled the bed. Option B, under, the ball rolled under the bed. Dash is knocking at the door. Option A, who is knocking at the door. The keys are the drawer. Option C, in, the keys are in the drawer.